Meaning of infestation.
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 Infestation. Infestation refers to the presence and multiplying of harmful organisms or insects in an area where they are not wanted. This can include pests such as cockroaches, ants, termites, or rodents such as mice or rats. Infestations can cause damage to property, spread disease, and be a nuisance for humans living in the affected areas. Effective pest control measures such as sanitation, sealing entry points, or the use of insecticides or traps can help prevent or eliminate an infestation. Regular inspections and preventative measures can also help avoid infestations in the future.